full house here. There's a ground right in the heart of the city. Intentional. 6. He's quick, Kima Roche, and Sehwag has used the space. 4. Easily put away.
But it doesn't make a difference. There's a long on. Sehwag greets him with a 6.
He's gone over the top. And he's hit it really well. Getting underneath the ball, getting the elevation and the distance.
Go for it! That is huge! His 4th hit for 6. Reaches the 50 in style. His 38th 50 in ODIs. It's 108 without loss. Oh yes, that's great. Great footwork. Got into a position and smashed it over long off for 4. That's 4. That's gone through as well, and he's going to run away for 4. But that's gone very high. Hasn't got the distance. With ease. 5th 6 for sehwag.
Lovely placement. He waited and he waited. He knew where those two fielders were.
Just over the field at point. Gets the 100. Amazing innings from virendra.
It's come in just 69 balls. That went like a bullet. His first as captain. And really it's been a terrific exhibition. You could see from the outset the difference in body language. The focus was there. Nothing loose about this performance.
Delicately played and skillfully played by virendra sehwag. 217 for 1. Another 4 from sehwag. Great shot.
And now he's using his feet and going straight. Oh, what a shot. What a shot that is.
See, he's looking to bowl that low full toss. Brilliant work. Brilliant work in the deep. That's the big man Pollard there. 150 comes up for virendra sehwag. And it's come up just 112 balls, and that's the quickest.
Oh, that's going to beat cover. Odd looking shots, sort of squeezed it.
6 more. He's got hold of that. Fractionally short. And half a dozen 6s for virendra sehwag. Lovely shot, risky. 4 more. 4 more. Sliced away.
Full toss, and he's flipped that away for 4. But here's sehwag. He's cut that. Has he got it through? He has. 200 runs for virendra sehwag. Now becomes the highest scorer ever in ODIs. 201. What a performance. Awesome batting display.
Magnificent. Mind-boggling. 200 runs in limited overs cricket. He's 201. So he's the highest scorer. And there is a spectator with flowers there. I don't know whether he's an official. But what an innings. 140 deliveries to get to 201. Got out first ball in Ahmedabad. Somebody was going to pay. Well, the West Indies have paid for it. 201. And look at that. Incredible. An incredible innings from an incredible player. Last one to Conway's congratulations. Oh, that's a six. Short and wide. And another six. Six, number 7.
He makes room for himself, and as he cleared the fielder, he has 4 more. Oh, that's been turned away for 4. They really don't know where to go to this man now. Oh, that's in the air. That he hasn't got a hold of. Fielder under it. Takes it. Martin takes the catch. Virendra sehwag departs for 219. Not quite getting a hold of it. Went for the 6. The length was there, but it hit the bottom.
And look at that. Every West Indian fielder running from whichever position he is in to shake hands of the new record holder in a one-day cricket. All of them from different parts of the ground. And this has been an absolutely magical effort. This has been a wonderful effort. A record-breaking effort. His highest in Test cricket is 319. And the highest now in limited overs cricket is 219. Simple catch. He wasn't quite able to get hold of it this time around. 376 for 4. Well played, sehwag.